Okay, back to the project for a few more pieces of entertainment. At this point, congratulations are in order. You are in the top 1%. You have posted an NFT for sale, unlike 99% of the rest of the world. So right now, we got a little bonus material. I'm going to give some big picture stuff so you can see what's going on in the overall market. But this is just for casual interest, and we still want you to just post your own in the project part of the Skillshare world. So these are the sites, and this is you can see what's being presented. You can pause this video, of course, if you would like to read more, or you can go to their sites and read the background information on them. There's a ton of them, and there's more every day. The async is more music, as you will see. Okay, here are the top 10 and each number one. They brought in 91.8 million. Okay, here are the top 10 at each one of these NFTs. It's pretty crazy. And here's number one. They brought in 91.8 million. It was multiple sets of the same image. About, I think, 25,000 people bought it. So you can see what we've accomplished. You've done the understanding. You've gotten the complete guide. You worked on the project. Now we're going to go ahead and do some bonus material of Web3 that's coming in the next video. A little more information about where Web3 is expected to go, and some material on basic cryptocurrency that is a nice backup. When your friends and relatives start asking you questions about it, this is sort of a nice collection of things that's worth knowing. Then we'll do a wrap-up, and I will talk to you about some future courses I plan on doing.